Hello and welcome to our presentation on 3D design realization. First, let's define what 3D design is. 3D design refers to the process of creating three-dimensional digital models using specialized software. These digital models can be used for a variety of purposes, including product design, architecture, and animation. Next, we'll talk about the importance of 3D design realization. With 3D design, it is possible to visualize and manipulate an object or design in a way that is not possible with traditional 2D design methods. This allows for a greater level of accuracy and precision in the design process, as well as the ability to make changes and modifications more easily. Now, let's discuss the process of 3D design realization. The first step is to create a concept or idea for the design. This can be done through sketching or using existing reference materials. Next, the design is created using 3D modeling software, such as AutoCAD or Blender. The model is then rendered, or transformed into a high-quality image or animation. Finally, the design can be finalized and presented to the client or manufacturer. There are many benefits to using 3D design realization in various industries. In product design, it allows companies to create prototypes and test them before committing to expensive manufacturing processes. In architecture, it allows for the creation of detailed and accurate building plans and visualizations. In animation, it allows for the creation of realistic and lifelike characters and environments. Overall, 3D design realization is a powerful tool that allows for greater accuracy and flexibility in the design process. Thank you for joining us for this presentation on 3D design realization.